Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek, and I'm back with a new Google Ads case study for a real estate investor client. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do subscribe so you don't miss all the great Google Ads case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily for you. So we're going to review this campaign. It's a 30-day in a 30-day window. This specific campaign is spending $1,000 per day budget. We've driven 1,652 clicks in that 30-day window with a conversion rate of 19.55%. It's pretty good. Conversion rate, 323 conversions or leads, and a cost per acquisition of $111 per lead, with a total monthly cost of $35,881.39. So pretty great campaign. This is going really good for us. This specific campaign, we're driving both lead gen and calls. So the consumer can go to the web page, type in their name, email address, phone number. That way they can be contacted back, or they can pick up the phone and dial in the number that's on the page, or they can tap to call. And all those lead gen forms and the calls are tracked back into this campaign automatically so that they can be used and calculated to drive higher return on investment. So let's take a look at the ad groups. So the ad groups are essentially just a categorization of the keywords that we're focusing on, the type of intention we want to get from the client that's searching for this type of service, or in this case, looking to sell their house very quickly. So you'll notice as we dive into this, you'll see that cash for home buyers, cash offer for my house, cash for houses, sell my house fast. These consumers are looking to sell their house rapidly. So let's dive into the campaign so you can get an idea of that. Inside this campaign, we're using more broad match so we can get a lot more volumes, opposed to like just focusing on phrase match and exact match, which we are also using. So we have cash offer for my house, cash house buyer, home buyers, get cash for your house. And so as you can see, the resounding communication to the client here is that these people are looking to sell like today. So that's what we're communicating through and through. And it just drives a higher quality of click and leads from the campaign. If you own a real estate investor business and you're interested in running a successful Google ad campaign like this one that I just showed, reach out to us through the application link in the description below. Our team can set up this campaign for your business and launch it in as little as 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I have for today. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.